All right, welcome back, Physics 30. So we'll look at the last example here with this first V1.1.2 section. So adding up these three vectors, so we did this example here. We'll look at this one. So we have a 20, 30, and a 25. So a scale that kind of jumps out here is likely 1 centimeter equals 5 kilometers. Okay, so looking at kilometers, therefore this first one, so if I'm making a 20 kilometer jump, let's see, that's times 4, so obviously I'd make that times 4, which would be 4 centimeters. So that would be 4 centimeters. And the next one, if I'm jumping to 30 kilometers, that's times 6, so of course I'd make that times 6 centimeters. And if I'm making a 25 kilometer jump, that of course is times 5. So 1 times 5 is 5 centimeters. All right, then looking at direction, so going northeast, which would be in this direction, and then east, but then moving south would be like that. So I'm moving this way, and then south, west would be that, so I'd be moving down. So likely starting over here somewhere would be adequate. Okay, so again, take a look at making the Cartesian coordinate system here. So lining it up, making a 90-degree, almost a crosshairs here. So north, so that's going to be my 0. So north is 0. So north is 0, then moving 33 in the east. So 10, 20, 33 would be about right there. And of course this is going to be 4 centimeters. So measure it up, 4 centimeters. So right there is 4. So make my arrowhead right there. And there we go. So north 33 east. So north 33 east would be that angle. Then I got to make the crosshairs here again. Try to make the horizontal parallel to the other one. You can kind of do that with your ruler here, as you can see. And the vertical part, there we go. Then east, south. So east is where I put the 0 on the protractor. So east, then going south by 48, 10, 20, 30, 48, right there. And this I'm going to make, let's see, 30 kilometers is represented by 6 centimeters. So 6 is right there. So draw it and make my arrowhead right there. And again, this was east, 48 south. So from straight east, 48 in the southward direction. All right, then make another crosshair section here. So it looks something like that, and this time I'm going southwest. So from southwest, so south, I want my 0 on the protractor pointing south, then go in the west direction, so 26 west. So if we take a look there, 26 west, looks about right there at that dot. And let's see, this one I'm making 5 centimeters. So 5 centimeters, let's see, so it'll be about right there. So here's my V1, here's my V2, here's my V3. This angle here is 26. So I started here, went boom, 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 finished here. So my resultant vector, of course, is from start to finish. So from start to finish, arrowhead is always at the finish. It looks something like that. And if I measure that, looks like I get about 6.9. So VR is equal to 6.9 centimeters, which equals, of course, for every 1 centimeter, it's 5 kilometers. So multiply that by 5. That's going to give me 34.5 kilometers. And then looking at direction, so this case, and of course, you know it's pointing down in this way. And of course, that is going to be a quad 4 vector. So I'm going to be talking about east and south. So either start east and move south, or south and move east. It doesn't matter. So if I started east and move south, let's get it the right way here. East and move south, it looks like 55. So east, 55 degrees south, or take that away from 90, and it works out to south 35 degrees east. So I can say either one. I don't have to put both directions, just one of them. So 34.5 kilometers, east 55 degrees south, or 35 south 35 degrees east. All right, so that's how I do it. So you should be able to do the assignment now, and we'll see you again.